Surfing the Facebook wave. Mastering Facebook-specific idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the exciting world of English idioms. Today, we'll dive into the universe of Facebook-specific idioms. Yes, you heard it right. The world of social media has introduced us to a new wave of idiomatic expressions, and it's time we get you up to speed. Facebook-specific idioms are phrases or expressions that have originated or gained popularity due to the social networking site, Facebook. They generally draw on the features, functionalities, and common behaviors associated with the platform. They offer a perfect example of how language evolves with technology. Let's explore some popular Facebook-specific idioms. To unfriend. Originally, Facebook introduced this term, which means to remove someone from your friend list. It's often used when someone wants to cut ties or end a relationship. Facebook official. This phrase is used to describe a relationship status that has been publicly confirmed on Facebook. Face stalking. A blend of Facebook and stalking. It refers to the act of obsessively checking someone's profile on Facebook. To poke someone. In Facebook terms, poking someone is a way to get their attention. But idiomatically, it's often used to describe the act of prodding someone for a response. Let's see how these idioms can be used in sentences. To unfriend. After our argument, I decided it was best to unfriend him. Facebook official. It's serious. They've made it Facebook official. Face stalking. I couldn't help face stalking her after the party. She looked so interesting. To poke someone. He hasn't replied to my message, so I'm going to poke him on Facebook. That's a wrap on Facebook-specific idioms. We hope you found this video enlightening and fun. Remember, language is ever evolving, so don't be surprised if you come across new idioms tomorrow. Keep exploring, keep learning. See you in our next video, where we will continue to unravel the fascinating world of English idioms.